Whoa. Hey guys, what's up? This is Sahil from GizTalk. What's going on, everybody? And in this video, I'm gonna be telling you how to speed up your computer like a pro. So, before I start the video, I actually want every one of you to know one very important thing, and that is that our laptop is lacking one major component. So, if we go 10 to 12 years back, Intel released its first generation of processors. Those were the i5 and the i7. And then eventually we saw the second generation, the third generation. Now we are about to get the ninth generation in the laptops. So the same goes for RAM as well. We had our DDR1 RAM, then DDR2, DDR3, and now we're having DDR4 RAMs, with all of them having higher bandwidth with each generation. So we saw major improvements in processors as well as in RAM. But what about the storage? Back in 2007 or 8, we used to have hard disks in our laptop. What about in 2019? We still have hard disks only. Now I know. Many of you are gonna say, no, we have SSD in our laptops now. But what about the laptops under 50K? What about the laptops costing lesser than 50,000? 90% of the laptops are still using those 7200 RPM HDD or maybe the 5400 RPM HDD. So that is one of the major drawbacks of our laptops. That is actually wasting the maximum potential of the laptops. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to install an SSD in place of HDD, and then I'll be showing you the speed test comparison of both of them. So let's begin the video.
So now let's get inside this laptop, for which we have to unscrew these 10 screws, for which we'll be using this. This is a 61-in-1 toolkit from Amazon. Links will be down in the description below. So now it's a time to get inside. So now we're inside the laptop. Oops, I forgot to unscrew one of the screw. Be gentle with your components. And now it's a time to install the beast. The beast is now installed. Now is the time to see the difference. So now let's begin with the speed test. So first of all, let's start off with the boot up test. On the left, we have the laptop with the SSD, and on the right, we have the laptop with hard disk. The laptop on the left has loaded up within 10 seconds. That's amazing. And on the right, it hasn't even started loading up. And it's taking a lot of time now. Note that both these laptops have the exact same spec, that is i3 on both of them. Only the fact is that on the left we have SSD and on the right we have hard disk, and now it has loaded up. Now let's test Microsoft Word. So on the left it has loaded up, and on the right it hasn't even started. Now it started. So we see a significant difference. Now let's see the condition with the settings. Loaded up on the SSD. And on the hard disk we first see a blue screen. And now with the Chrome browser. So it loaded up here on the SSD. And again, it takes a lot of time on the HDD. Opening up GSM Arena. It's first on the left side again. Opening up Spotify. Again on the left. And finally opening Task Manager. Again on the left. So you can see a clear winner here. Coming up, let's reboot both the devices. Note that this video has been speeded up 8 times, and you can see a clear distinct winner here. So I would recommend you to spend a few bucks and buy an SSD for your laptop to use it at its full potential. So that's it for today's video. Thanks a ton for watching. I'll see you around.